Have you ever wondered how those beautiful Etsy shop banners instantly grab your attention the moment you land on a page? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your own stunning Etsy banner using Canva, even if you've never designed anything before. Let's get started. First, open canva.com and log in or create a free account. In the search bar at the top, type Etsy banner. Canva already has pre-sized templates ready to go, so you don't need to worry about dimensions. But if you prefer a custom layout, click custom size and enter 3,360 by 840 pixels, which is the recommended Etsy banner size. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a range of templates on the left. Choose one that matches your brand's vibe: minimal, bold, colorful, or elegant. If you want to start from scratch, simply pick a blank canvas. Now comes the fun part: customization. Add your shop name, logo, and maybe a tagline that represents your products. You can drag and drop images of your best-selling items, adjust colors to match your brand palette, and experiment with different fonts to find one that reflects your style. Canva also offers a wide variety of elements like icons, shapes, and lines. Use them to highlight important parts of your design or create a visual flow that draws attention to your shop name. Don't overcrowd the banner. Keep it clean, clear, and easy to read, especially since it'll be viewed on both desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with the design, click download at the top right corner and choose JPG or PNG format. Then head over to your Etsy shop settings and upload your new banner. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a professional, eye-catching Etsy banner that makes your shop stand out and look more trustworthy to buyers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's starting their Etsy shop journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.